Welcome to Second Life Upcycling. In this upcycling video, I'll show you how I transformed old curtains into a super functional bag. Let's get started. I'd already upcycled the majority of the curtains into gardening tool belts. I made one for myself and gave the others away to friends. The remaining curtain fabric was perfect to make this bag. First, I cut 5 pieces. 2 identical pieces for the front and back, 2 identical pieces for the sides, and 1 for the bottom. I then sewed the 2 side seams to the front panel. Then I sewed these to the back panel. Next, the bottom is attached. One tip I would suggest is not to sew the corners at the same time you're sewing the bottom to the other pieces. Once done, then sew the bottom corners on the diagonal. This gives a nice rounded finish on the corners. To make the handles, I used some vinyl handles that I'd previously cut off a backpack that I'd repurposed a while ago. If you don't have anything like that, you could sew handles in the same way you would a waistband for a skirt or pants. I then sewed the handles to the bottom of the bag and top near the opening. And finally, I used an old calico grocery bag for the inside lining. I also added 2 internal pockets. I couldn't be bothered sewing the lining in place, so just used iron-on hemming tape. And here it is finished. I love this bag. It's functional, hardy, and best of all, cost me nothing. When I'm thrift shopping, I always look for curtain fabric because it's perfect for upcycling projects. Thanks for watching. For more upcycling inspiration, subscribe so you don't miss an update. And if you want to see more videos like this, throw me a thumbs up. See you next time.